that hurt at all?
No.
Okay, let me know if you feel pain, okay?
Yes.
Only in the first 24 hours, I think I took 2 pain pills, and I never took another pain pill.
No, I was in no pain during the procedure.
On a scale of 1 to 10 for discomfort, I would say during the procedure, 0. Once I got home, I took some Tylenol and had no issues. I wouldn't even take the pain pills because I didn't need them.
You know, maybe be a little restless the first night with sleep, but I'm just not used to sleeping on my back, and that's all. And it was a little bit of pain from the incision, but everything else, I mean, I have 0 tolerance for pain, so I'm shocked. And I woke up this morning, let's go. Let's get the hair washed. Let's start the process. The Angels beat the Dodgers last night. Look at that.
I guess for me, I'm just glad that I made that choice to work with the top guys, you know, in the field. The reason that I look back on it so positively and I'm willing to speak about it is because the whole experience was so good. Very happy with the results. These guys, you know, they have the best tech, they have the best people, they do the best work. If you're gonna do this, do it with them.